How to fix Facebook checkpoint. In today's video, I will show you guys how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly to open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Only when you find it, open it, then you will find this list. Scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on first stop, click OK again, and now you have to back and go to Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.